Hello everyone. So today in this podcast we will be discussing that is it true that those who fail in school life or in student life do not achieve anything big in their lives, and those who are toppers in school, those who score really good grades in their school life and college life, they are always successful. So I would like to share today a psychological research done by psychologist Lewis Terman, which is also considered as world's longest psychological research ever done. So let's begin. It's gonna be really interesting. So, what Lewis Terman did was, in the year 1920, he did an experiment for around 40 years, which is also considered as the longest psychological experiment ever. What he did was, he asked all the schools in United States of America to give him list of students who were really talented and hardworking according to their school. So, in total, when he made a list of all the students, he found that there are around 2.5 lakh students who can be considered as brilliant or smart minds according to American schools. Then, what he thought was there were two issues. Issue number one, he did not knew all the students personally, so he can't believe the fact that in whole America there were 2.5 lakh great minds. Secondly, they all were categorized from school, and of course, Lewis Terman cannot believe his school's statements. So, what he did was he made an proper IQ examination and asked all those students to give an IQ test. So basically, IQ test is intelligent quotients test in which you can come to know about your strengths, about your weaknesses, about your talent, about your sharpness of your brain. So after doing this research, whole America was shocked because out of 2.5 lakh students, there were only 1,528 students who can be considered as smart minds, who can be considered as brilliant minds, who scored 140 points in that IQ test. Now, let me give you a simple statistical data. Just 1,528 students out of 2.5 lakh students means that if your school considers you as a topper, or if any school considers a specific child as a topper, there are only 0.006112% chances that that particular girl or boy is really a topper. So, this was the first conclusion made right after the IQ test, that all those toppers whom school used to consider as their future, they were not brilliant minds, they were just normal people, they were just normal kids who were able to mug up answers easily and just puke it up in on examination hall without having proper knowledge, without having real brilliance, without having real excellent nature or mind. After this IQ test, all those 1,528 students were asked to leave normal life and they were sent home. But here is a twist. For next 40 years, these students were analyzed. Lewis Terman, with his proper team, analyzed all these students and came to know that all these students were really smart. They were very smart in their academic life. But is it true in their financial and personal and spiritual life as well? Not really. After 40 years of proper dedicated research, Sir Lewis Terman in the year 1960 came to know that out of those 1528 minds whom the IQ test verified as brilliant, whom the whole America, whole USA was considering as the future of United States of America, out of those 1528 kids, only 20 children really became billionaires, and all those remaining so called geniuses were struggling throughout their life, not just financially, even emotionally, spiritually, also in relationships, and many were also in depression as well. So, ultimately, after 40 years of research, Lewis Terman gave this statement that, to be honest, he said that in real life, in reality, there is no relation of schools smartness or school's grades with real life facts or real life. So my friends, I would like to say that Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, and many more legendary people who changed the world were either school or college dropouts. Even Steve Jobs did not have any college degree. Still, he made Apple, and he brought an evolution in technical field. So, my last point, last conclusion is, even if you are failing in your school life, even if you are unable to score good marks in your academic life, still you can do something big. You can achieve ultimate heights. It was rightly said by Bill Gates that I did not pass in all the subjects and I am the owner of Microsoft, whereas my friends who passed in all the subjects, he is an engineer and working in Microsoft. So, friends, I would just like to conclude by saying that do not get depressed or do not feel demotivated by various cuss words or various taunts from maybe from relatives or neighbors or school teachers for your grades. Live your life happily and focus on just one thing to create history. That's all. Thank you, Dhairya Thakkar signing off.